What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGrill back with another video, and today I got a shoe review. Ordered some shoes and see what y'all think about them. Like I said, I like them, so shit. You know, that's the only reason why I buy stuff. If I like it, I get it. If I don't, you know, I catch it around the sun. But let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and show what I got. So, based off the box, ooh-wee. These are your Jordan 12 cherries. So far, based off of them, I like the quality. The paint on the shoes look good. They don't be having those little splattered marks and stuff like that. 23. Everything about the shoe just feels very sturdy. You know, so that's the bottom of the shoe. But it looks real good. I give these a 10 out of 10. Size 10 Jordan 12 cherries. And I got these off of Sneaker News, so that's my plug. When I end up ordering shoes, I get them. If I don't, you know what I'm saying, I always put in for like Foot Locker, Hibbett Sports and stuff like that. So I don't think I won the raffle on any other one, but I got these off Sneaker News, so they came out. I ordered my size, and usually I pretty much get what I want. So 10 out of 10. So if you know, if you order one, you can't forget about the family. So I end up ordering another pair. And this is what I won off of Foot Locker. Kids Foot Locker, that is. Won these for my wife. These will come like a little scuff mark or whatever, but ain't nothing you can't wipe off. Almost like somebody wore these, but these are brand new. Might have my other one look. If you can kind of tell, the paint kind of off on it a little bit on the kid's shoe, but it ain't too bad. I'll still give these a 10 out of 10. You know, I like the color, white and red, can't beat it. And like I said, these are kids' shoe. This is a size 6.5 wide, and it's just a good all-around shoe. Like I say, everything, the stitching and everything. Only thing I see on this is just that the glue or whatever. Let me check the other shoe, see how that one looks. If that one look pretty decent. Yeah, it's about the same, so ain't too much of a difference, but it's still a nice shoe. Can't go wrong with that at all. I never had this color before, so I definitely had to get it. And then, you know what I'm saying, you can't just stop there, you know what I'm saying. I am a family of 3, so can't forget about the baby, you know what I'm saying. My baby boy got to have his also. And y'all probably can hear him in the camera right now, but this is his. and we just bought them a little bit bigger, size 9C. But this kind of color, this color like a little bit darker than the bottom. I don't think the might be kind of the same. It ain't. Just a little. It's like a little darker red on the baby shoes. They still look good. Like I said, we bought him up a size up. But man, his feet growing so fast, you know, so he'll end up having these on next week. But that's pretty much it. These are all my shoes. This is all what we got. Might have to put them like this. Yep, so that's it right there. Yep, so like I say, out of this shoe, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like this shoe. It's a very nice shoe. I love 12's. They're very comfortable. The color go with everything, the red and the white, you know, that situation. And you can't beat a 12, man. 12's is one of my favorite shoes. They're comfortable. You know what I'm saying? That's the shoe that he played in, you know what I'm saying? I mean, pretty much all of them, but I like 12's and, you know, stuff like that more. But this is a definitely buy. Y'all comment down below if y'all let me know if y'all will buy them. And just tell me what you think about them. Is it a hit or is it a miss? You know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right? Yeah.